Hello everyone, welcome to Top Legendary Coin. Have you ever wondered if an ordinary coin in your pocket could tell the story of an entire nation? Today, we're exploring the fascinating history of Hungary's 20 forint coin. Although it may seem like just another small coin, it represents Hungary's culture, independence, and economic journey. Let's discover how this simple coin became an important part of everyday life. History of the forint. The Hungarian forint became the official currency of Hungary in 1946. It was introduced after one of the worst periods of hyperinflation in world history. The new currency restored confidence in the country's economy and has remained Hungary's official currency ever since. As Hungary modernized, new coin designs were introduced to make the currency more practical, durable, and secure. Among these was the 20 forint coin, which became one of the most commonly used coins in everyday transactions. Introduction of the 20 forint coin. The modern 20 forint coin entered circulation during the 1990s as Hungary redesigned its coinage after major political and economic changes. It replaced older designs and quickly became a familiar sight in shops, markets, and public transportation. Its practical value made it one of the most frequently handled coins in the country. Millions of these coins have been minted over the years. Design features. The coin shown here displays the large number, 20, on one side, making it instantly recognizable. Below the number is the word, forint, clearly identifying Hungary's national currency. The reverse side features Hungary's national coat of arms, a symbol representing the country's rich history, independence, and national pride. The detailed artwork gives the coin a classic and elegant appearance. The coin is made from a durable copper-colored alloy that resists wear during everyday use. Its round shape, raised rim, and finely crafted details help protect the design from damage over time. Specifications. The 20 forint coin has a diameter of approximately 26 mm and weighs around 6.9 grams. These dimensions make it comfortable to handle while remaining durable enough for years of circulation. Because of its sturdy construction, many older examples are still found in circulation today. Symbolism. Every element of the coin carries meaning. The large denomination reflects simplicity and easy identification. The Hungarian coat of arms symbolizes national unity, sovereignty, and centuries of history. For Hungarians, the coin is more than money, it's a reminder of the nation's resilience and progress through changing times. Collectability. Most circulating 20 forint coins are common and worth only their face value. However, collectors often search for coins in brilliant uncirculated condition, proof versions, or low mintage years. Special minting errors such as off-center strikes, double strikes, or die cracks can make certain coins much more valuable than ordinary circulation pieces. If you own a 20 forint coin, it's always worth checking the year, condition, and any unusual characteristics before spending it. Interesting facts. One interesting fact is that the forint is one of Europe's oldest currency names, tracing its origins back to medieval Florence and the famous gold florin. Despite Hungary being a member of the European Union, it continues to use the forint instead of the euro. As a result, coins like the 20 forint remain an important part of daily life across the country. Millions of tourists visiting Hungary receive these coins as change, making them popular souvenirs that often travel around the world. Conclusion. The Hungarian 20 forint coin may appear simple, but it tells a remarkable story of economic recovery, national identity, and everyday life. From its introduction after major reforms to its continued use today, this coin represents the strength and history of Hungary. If you enjoyed this videos, subscribe for more rare coin discoveries.